Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining the border. This sets every step that follows. First, clear a 2-3 foot strip along the bed and remove loose mulch and weeds so you can see soil level. Once done, place a straight board or garden hose to mark the exact edge line. This keeps the curve consistent. Put on gloves and grab your half-moon edger and shovel. You'll work standing at the line to keep posture and control while cutting the edge. You'll now cut the edge. Step on the edger and drive it 3-4 inches deep along the marked line, using steady pressure so the blade slices straight. Then use a shovel to pry out the strip of turf and soil, placing removed material on the lawn side to preserve bed soil. Make sure you form a 1 to 2 inch vertical face. This sharp drop keeps mulch and grass separated. Once the soil is removed, tamp the top with your foot to set the edge. Finish by backfilling a thin layer of compost along the trench to level and nourish roots. Then smooth and lightly compact the soil so the edge stays firm. Next, add 2-3 inches of mulch, keeping it pulled back from plant stems to avoid rot. If the edge starts to crumble or grass creeps in, recut that section to a consistent depth and remove any rogue roots. This restores the vertical face. Finally, inspect after rain and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.